How much pressure does a chiropractor use to adjust a baby? About the same amount of pressure that you would use to check if a tomato is ripe. No cracking, no twisting, and let me show you what that actually looks like. For a baby, the adjustment is fingertip pressure. That's it. Most infants sleep right through it. Toddlers get adjusted wherever they're comfortable, usually on mom's lap. It's specific, it's gentle, and it's over in seconds. Because the scans already told me exactly where the nervous system needs help, the adjustment is just delivering the input. Give us a follow if you would like more information on chiropractic and your child's nervous system.